iPhone virus alert, what you should do. Step 1. Don't tap anything. If a pop-up claims your iPhone has a virus, do not tap OK, Allow, or any download button. These alerts are often fake and designed to trick you. Step 2. Close the browser. Exit the browser immediately. Swipe up from the bottom, or double-press the home button on older iPhones, and close Safari or any browser showing the alert. Step 3. Clear Safari data. Go to Settings, Safari, Clear History and Website Data. This removes any stored data that may be triggering the fake warning. Step 4. Check for unknown apps. Review your apps and delete anything you don't recognize or recently installed before the alert appeared. Step 5. Update your iPhone. Go to Settings, General, Software Update and install the latest iOS version to ensure you have the latest security patches. Step 6. Restart your device. Turn your iPhone off and then back on after clearing data and updating the system. Step 7. Change passwords if necessary. If you entered your Apple ID, banking details, or any passwords on a suspicious website, change them immediately and enable two-factor authentication if it's not already active.